Thank you, Conference, for such a warm welcome. The last time I was in Llandudno, we launched our general election campaign, and today we come together having won that historic election, and with the added bonus, and you will have heard this several times already today, but I just love saying it, with the added bonus of winning 27 out of 32 seats in Wales and defeating every single Tory candidate in the process. And to all of our general election candidates, including those who didn't quite get over the line this time, I want to say thank you for working so hard for so long to help deliver that overall result. And to everyone here, thank you for pounding the pavements with us to deliver the first UK Labour government in 14 years. We have a brilliant team of brilliant Welsh Labour MPs, and there's so many here in front of me. It's great to see everybody here. But I'm going to use an opportunity today just to thank my lovely friend and colleague, Jessica Morden, the MP for Newport East, who chaired the election campaign in Wales with determination, with focus, and in a real Jess special with her kindness. We're all so proud that she was then resoundingly elected by our 411 Labour MPs to be chair of the Parliamentary Labour Party. Yay. With our election victory, we have earned an opportunity to change Wales and the UK, to choose a different future, to do away with the division, to work in genuine partnership with our Welsh Labour government, and to deliver for Wales after those 14 long years of UK Conservative governments. And that change, Conference, that change is happening right now. The Labour budget has delivered the largest real terms increase in spending power for the Welsh Government since the dawn of devolution. We are gripping totemic issues that have seemed immovable for more than a decade. More money for our public services, funding to help keep coal tips safe. This is the first time a UK government has done this, and a strong voice for Wales on the Crown Estate. These are just some of the early benefits of two Labour governments working together. But there's plenty more to do. We can't fix 14 years' worth of damage overnight. And it is real damage. The damage that people see and they feel every single day. And for me, the scale of that challenge became clear within the first week of government. When I arrived at the Wales office, the first thing I wanted to do was support our steel workers. Because in October 2023, the Tories had promised £80 million to support workers and businesses in Port Talbot. 9 months later, they hadn't delivered a single penny. And now we know why. Because Conference, that £80 million was never there. It was part of a long list of unfunded spending commitments. It was part of that £22 billion black hole. So the Tories were happy to make empty promises to workers and businesses in our steel communities. What a shocking dereliction of duty. A slap in the face for proud professionals with a special place in our national story. A threat to the economic future of an entire town, with ripples felt right across South Wales. And Conference, who was responsible for this? Well, you can ask my predecessor. David T.C. Davies will tell you with enormous pride that it was the new leader of the opposition. He wrote, "The credit belongs to Kemi." Now, Kemi Badenoch sold a lie to steel communities and told them to consider it a win. Well, Conference, I'm not buying it, and I know you're not buying it either. I made it my mission to fight tooth and nail for that money. And just weeks later, we were able to announce millions of pounds in new money to support workers and businesses. And Labour's first budget, just a few weeks ago, has confirmed that £80 million in full. because Wales has a powerful voice at the cabinet table once again. And today, conference, I can go further because the job, we know, isn't done yet. Today, I am announcing a £13 million fund to support existing and new businesses in Port Talbot and across our steel communities. To the cafe owner in the town centre who's worried about footfall, to the steel worker with a dream of being their own boss, to the business that's looking to grow or change, this £13 million fund is for you. It's part of our wider commitment to our steel communities and to driving economic growth. This is change in action. Gone are the days when we in Wales are held back by Tory rule. Gone are the days where we're just forced to accept that things just can't be done. And gone are the days when a UK government doesn't listen to Wales. Because with Eluned and I, a partnership in power, Wales's voice is strong once again. And we can once again raise our hopes and our ambitions. We are putting our nation at the forefront of a decade of national renewal. Kickstarting the economic growth we know is crucial to that. And the Prime Minister has talked about the investment zones in Cardiff and Newport and Wrexham and Flintshire in his speech this morning. These are a crucial part of our work with our Welsh Labour government to provide that rocket boost to our industry strengths like the life sciences, creative industries, advanced manufacturing and our world-leading compound semiconductor cluster. We've given the green light for free ports in Port Talbot and Milford Haven to unlock millions in investment and boost jobs and growth. And we're working to seize that golden opportunity of floating offshore wind for Wales. I know that talk of industry and economic growth can sometimes sound remote from day-to-day life. But conference, it is nothing less than the future of Wales's economy. It means jobs in every single community. It means opportunity for our children, more money in your pocket, investment where you live. That is the prize we are fighting for, and that is the prize that I am fighting for. Because I've spent all my working life representing people in Wales, first as a lawyer and then as a politician. And I make this promise to you, that I bring that same determination, dedication, and frankly, bloody-mindedness to representing our country at the cabinet table. So you can believe me when I say that this UK Labour government will deliver for Wales. Thank you.